A FICO score is a credit score developed by the Fair Isaac Corporation, FICO, which is widely used by lenders to assess the creditworthiness of individuals applying for loans, mortgages, credit cards, and other forms of credit. Understanding how FICO scores are calculated can help individuals manage their credit responsibly and improve their creditworthiness over time. Here's an overview of how FICO scores are calculated. Payment history, 35%. The most significant factor influencing your FICO score is your payment history. This includes whether you've paid past credit accounts on time or if you have any late or missed payments. Consistently paying bills on time can positively impact your score, while late payments can lower it. Amounts owed, 30%. This factor considers the amount of debt you owe compared to your credit limits, known as your credit utilization ratio. Higher balances relative to your credit limits can negatively impact your score. Keeping balances low and using credit responsibly can help improve this part of your score. Length of credit history, 15%. The length of time you've had credit accounts and the average age of your accounts are considered. A longer credit history can demonstrate your ability to manage credit over time and may positively influence your score. Credit mix, 10%. FICO scores also take into account the types of credit accounts you have, such as credit cards, installment loans, mortgages, and retail accounts. Having a mix of credit types, e.g., both revolving and installment accounts, can be beneficial for your score, as long as they are managed responsibly. New credit, 10%. Opening new credit accounts or applying for multiple credit inquiries within a short period can negatively impact your score. FICO scores consider the number of recently opened accounts and recent credit inquiries when assessing this factor. To calculate your FICO score, information from your credit report is used to evaluate each of these factors. The score is typically calculated using a complex mathematical formula developed by FICO. Lenders use FICO scores to determine the risk of lending to an individual. Higher scores indicate lower credit risk, while lower scores suggest higher risk. It's important to note that other credit scoring models exist besides FICO, such as VantageScore, and they may use slightly different criteria for calculating credit scores. However, FICO scores remain one of the most widely used and recognized credit scoring models in the United States. Monitoring your credit score regularly and understanding the factors that influence it can help you make informed financial decisions, improve your creditworthiness over time, and qualify for better interest rates and terms on loans and credit products.